So hello and welcome everybody. Myself CMA Sanket Pandit. So many might have cleared the 12th examination or many might be thinking to pursue our CMA course. So I thought I should make a video in 2021. How is CMA course? What are the things? What are the things you need to know before joining the CMA course? So this video will be of 15 minutes. Within 15 minutes I will tell you each and everything about CMA course, how you can take admission, what is the fee structure, what are the subjects and all. So kindly stay tuned for 15 minutes. Each and everything I will tell. Already I was making videos for CMA, and in 2017 I was the first person to make video about our CMA course. That time it was more popularly known as ICWA, and around 1,50,000 people had watched from 2017 till 2021. But now I thought in 2021 things have changed, and revamp CMA course which is going global has been introduced. So I thought I should make a video and make each and everybody aware about the new things about CMA course. So if you are a CMA student, please hit a like so that our course YouTube will push in the algorithm and our course will be well known in the social media. So just one request, please hit a like, and if there are juniors of 12th standard, your brother, sister, you can share this video. Each and everything from scratch I will tell you within 15 minutes. So let's get started. So we are going to discuss about CMA course. So directly I will be a little quick so that time is not wasted. First is foundation level, second is intermediate level, this is first level, this is second level, this is third level. First level is foundation level. So if you are chota bachcha, if you are 10th pass, 12th pass, if you are 10th pass, then you can take admission in foundation level. If you are thoda sa bada bachcha, you have completed your 12th, then you can appear for our foundation level. Is it clear? If you are a little big bachcha, like you have completed graduation, बीकॉम हो गया मेरा, या बीकॉम नहीं मेरा इंजीनियरिंग हो गया, या और कुछ हो गया, तो डायरेक्टली यू डोंट नीड टू गिव दिस लेवल, यू कैन डायरेक्टली कम इन इंटरमीडिएट लेवल, राइट? सो इफ यू आर अ ग्रेजुएट, इफ यू आर बीकॉम, बीएससी, एनी ग्रेजुएट, or you are a qualified engineer, or you are pursuing engineering course, or for some other, if your CS foundation is complete, or your CA intermediate is complete, then also there are various things. If you have completed this thing, then directly you will come in intermediate level. But sir, I am pursuing BCom, so are you graduate? No sir, then you have to give this foundation level. If you are graduate complete, then only you are eligible for intermediate level. Is it clear? Yes sir. And third level is final. Now who can appear for final? Only and only who has completed CMA intermediate. There is no other bypass or shortcut to enter in CMA final. So the third level can be given by the student if he completes the second level. The second level can be given by the student if he completes first level, or he is graduate, or he is pursuing engineering course, or a qualified engineer, or he has completed CAT course, or he has completed the first level. Is it clear? So these are three levels: foundation, intermediate and final. Is it clear? फाउंडेशन बहुत छोटे बच्चों का, अगर आप बीकॉम कर रहे हो, then also you have to give this foundation. If you have completed graduation, then only you are eligible to directly pursue intermediate level. Is it clear? थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बोल रहा हूँ, बहुत डाउट रहता है, मैं बीकॉम कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को फाउंडेशन है, इंटर है. So this is clear? Yes. Let's move forward. Now what are the subjects? So in foundation there are 4 subjects. One is fundamentals of economics and management, other is fundamental of accounting, third is fundamental of law and ethics, and fourth is fundamental of business statistics. Sir, exam कब होती है? Exam is held in June and in December every year. So in 1 year there are 2 exams. One is held in June, one is held in December. As per your convenience, you can give the foundation examination. There are only 4 papers. Is it clear? So there is no bifurcation of groups, group 1, group 2. Only 4 papers are there. There is no group in foundation. Now we come to intermediate level. So in intermediate level, there are 2 groups, group 1 and group 2. Okay. Now exam is conducted every June and every December. Now in group 1, you have 4 papers, paper 5, paper 6, paper 7, paper 8. The names you can read yourself. In group 2, you have paper 9, paper 10, paper 11, paper 12. Now your first question, sir, कैन आई अपियर फॉर ऑल द ग्रुप्स? एक साथ में बैठ सकता हूँ क्या? मेरे को 8 पेपर देने हैं. Definitely it is your choice. If you want to appear for one group, you can appear. If you want to appear for both the groups at the same time in June, can you appear? Yes, you can appear. So it is your call, it is your decision whether you want to appear for group 1 or you want to appear for both the groups. One benefit is there that if you appear for both groups, there are chances that you may score or secure all India rank. Same goes with final. Final also has two groups, group 3 and group 4. This is group 1 and this is group 2, but here already group 1 group 2 हो गया था. That's why it is known as group 3 and group 4. It's not like group 3 बोले तो 3 ग्रुप है और 4 बोले तो 4 ग्रुप है. It is just 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in group 3 you have 4 papers, you can read the names, and in group 4 you have 4 papers. It's your choice whether you want to appear for single group or you want to appear for both group. सर ऐसा हो सकता है क्या मैं ये पूरा का पूरा लेवल एक साथ अपीयर कर लूँ? अरे बेटा, ऊपर ही तो तेरे को बताया कि फाइनल में तू जब एलिजिबल होगा जब तू इंटर कंप्लीट करेगा. सो इफ यू आर नॉट कंप्लीटेड इंटर, यू कैन नॉट गो इन फाइनल्स. सो दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो इन the level of intermediate, you can take one group or two group as the case may be. In final also you can take group 3 or group 4 as the case may be. So is it clear? आप पे है, आपको 8 पेपर देना एक साथ या 4 देना. Now in after completing intermediate, there are two things which you have to do. One is world class skill training and one is practical training. So we will come to we will come and we will see the details about it. So first is world class skill training. So it is of 140 hours. So sir, what is world class skill training? So it consists of 4 things. First is SAP training. While you go in the corporates, big corporates uses SAP software, you might be aware. So after completing intermediate or during the intermediate, when you are pursuing, you are given training of SAP for 60 hours, and also you are given the certificate about that this and this person has completed SAP training. The second is employability and soft skill training of 80 hours. So these 80 hours is divided into 40 hours, 20 hours and 20 hours. So 40 hours will be Microsoft education, and you will also get a certificate with Microsoft that yes, this person has completed Microsoft training. There you will be taught Excel, Word, full Microsoft you will be taught. Then how to improve your communication skills. So a Cambridge University Press soft skill education training will be given, and you will also get a certificate right from the Cambridge University that yes, this person has completed Cambridge University soft skill training. And also you will be given a training of e-filing certification where all the certificates of income tax, TDS, GST and all whatever the practical things are there, all the trainings, how you will fill up the certificate. Feel nahi, fill this fill. So how will you fill the ITR returns, TDS returns, GST returns and all? So practical training will be given. So these are world class trainings as per the institute which are given to you. First is Microsoft, Cambridge University, e-filing and also SAP. And I can tell you that SAP training will surely help you if you are visiting big corporates, big organizations. Their SAP is there, and if you go as a CMA with the certification of SAP, there are high chances that you might get recruited in the companies because you are already having or you have already done a 60 hours SAP training along with this training. So it will add a value to your brand, personal brand. Okay, now the training is conducted, how it is conducted, each and everything is given. And also one thing is practical training you have to do here. I had told you there are two things, right? First is world class skill training, which consists of SAP, then certification, and then Microsoft and Cambridge. The second is practical training. Sir, ये वर्ल्ड क्लास स्किल ट्रेनिंग यानी इंटरमीडिएट के बाद करने का क्या पहले करने का कैसा है? सो वाइल यू आर परसुइंग इंटरमीडिएट यू कैन रजिस्टर फॉर वर्ल्ड क्लास स्किल ट्रेनिंग, एंड वाइल डूइंग इंटरमीडिएट you can do this world class skill training. As far as practical training is concerned, you can do while pursuing the course, while pursuing intermediate, or after completing intermediate also you can do practical training. The choice is yours. In final also we have one training, that is industry oriented training, which will be of 7 days, and this practical training and this practical training is same. The practical training is written here because while you give both the groups of final, in final I told you how many papers are there, 8 papers. So if you think कि in June I have to give these 8 papers, so make sure that your practical training of 15 months is completed, and second, your industrial orientation training of 7 days is completed. So this is the logic here. Is it clear? So two things you have to complete. Now practical training is of 15 months. It's like you have to work practically in a cost accountant firm, or you can work in corporates, big companies. There are certain criteria which are given in the prospectus, turnover criteria and all, so that you can decide accordingly where you want to work. Okay, so intermediate का दे दिया both group, उसके बाद वर्ल्ड क्लास स्किल ट्रेनिंग करके थोड़ी सी वैल्यू अपनी बना ली, प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग करके पूरा प्रैक्टिकली समझ लिया जो अपन ने ITR वगैरह 20 घंटे का किया था ई फाइलिंग में, हाउ वी आर डूइंग. सो प्रैक्टिकली यू कैन अप्लाई इट and you can study the finals, and after during the finals you have to complete the IOTP and also the practical training. Now I will industry oriented training also has 7 days. I told you before finals you have to do one group you can give without training also. So these are the topics which you will be given. Yes, how is the examination result? So in final around the pass percentage is 26%, in intermediate it is around 33%, and in foundation it is 75%. तो इतना पास परसेंटेज रहता है. अगर 100 लोग फाइनल में एग्जाम दे रहे हैं तो 26 लोग पास हो जाते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? यस सर, इट इज वेरी क्लियर. एंड मेन थिंग and the last thing, sir, what is the fee structure? We are getting SAP training, we are getting Cambridge University certification, we are getting Microsoft certification, we are giving 16 papers. So what is the fees, sir? It might be in lakhs, right? So the quote which our institute writes, and I really like about it, is that the total cost of CMA course is even less than the interest cost per annum on a loan. For example, you go and you take a loan of 10 lakhs 20 lakh rupees for pursuing MBA. So जितना आप इंटरेस्ट भरोगे ना, ये 10 लाख 20 लाख पे, वो इंटरेस्ट के कॉस्ट में आपका पूरा का पूरा CMA कोर्स हो जाएगा, राइट? सो द फाउंडेशन लेवल is for 6,000, the fees is 6,000. For intermediate level, the fees is 23,100, and the installment facilities are available, so you can pay in installment also. In finals, the fees is 25,000. So around आप देख सकते हो 50 से 60 हजार के अंदर your course is completed. If you want to take coaching and all, then it increases, but it's not like 10 lakh 20 lakh or something like that. Affordable education we can tell for all this CMA course is. And also there are financial aids and scholarships and all available for the economically challenged students. Also fee waiver scheme is available for physically challenged students. Government scholarships are available, minority schemes are available. So there are various schemes which are also available. Now we will see the career opportunities which are there, or after qualifying what you can do. So first thing is you can go in service. You can either go in the industry, or you can go in teaching. You can also go in practice if you wish to, and also you can go in startup. So there are various opportunities which are bifurcated. Like if you want to go in job, then which areas you can work. So you can work in cost and management accounting area, you can work in finance, you can work in taxation, because you get so much of knowledge after studying 16 papers. You can surely rock in internal control and auditing department, in project management, in banking, resource management, risk management, financial reporting and strategies. So these are the areas where you can work. Also you can work in administrative services. This domain is exclusively for CMA's Indian Cost Accounting Services. You can also go in IAS, IRS and other things if you want to pursue the job. And also if you want while pursuing the job, which roles और कहाँ तक अपन लोग पहुँच सकते हैं. So the job roles of CMA, so you can reach up to the CFO level, you can reach up to the CEO level, CMD, director, president, vice president, head of finance, head of finance controller, cost controller, risk manager and all. So there are various top level positions which you can reach uh, by doing the CMA course, and you can reach that level. That is the what you can say benchmark ki yahan tak ja sakte ho. You can reach till CMD level. If you are doing or going in practice, then what you can do the cost audit. This is the exclusive area which is reserved for CMAs only. So only and only a cost accountant can do cost audit. No other, but no other professional, nobody can do in India except the cost audit. So this is the exclusive area which is reserved for CMA. You can also do internal audit, you can do valuation under GST, you can do insolvency professional registered valuer, you can practice as a tax consultant, tax practitioner, financial services and all consultancy services. So there are a lot of things. If you wish, you can come in practice and you can do all these things. And also I would like to tell you about the network of our institute. Where is the presence, how many chapters are there, and what is the chapter exactly. Chapter bole to kya rehta hai, I will tell you. This is the full institute network in India and across the globe. We have around 85 qualified CMAs. We have 133 exam centers. We have 434 oral coaching centers. We have 52 CMA support centers all over the globe. We have 110 chapters. Now what is chapter? Chapter is the office of the institute in city. So suppose I am from Aurangabad, right? So the office of the institute at Aurangabad will be called Aurangabad chapter. So likewise there are 110 chapters. So 110 जगहों पे इंस्टीट्यूट का ऑफिस है. सिटीज में 110 cities all over India offices are there, and there are 4 regional councils. Actually वेस्ट नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट ऐसा 4 काउंसिल्स है, वो भी है. सो इट्स covered. 110 बोले तो सब आ गया. And we have around 5 lakh students as per the institute data. So this is the full network of our institute. So as I had told that now the CMA course is going global in 2021, that's why I was shooting the video. So yes, there are few things which I would like to tell you. If you have completed the intermediate level, that is the second level, if you have completed of the CMA, then your qualification, or you will be treated as a bachelor. As a bachelor degree, it will be treated in UK and UAE. So if you wish to go overseas in UK and UAE, then your qualification of CMA intermediate will be treated as a bachelor degree in UK and UAE. And if you have completed CMA final level, then it will be equivalent to the master's degree. So you will be treated as a master's degree. Like यहाँ पे अपना MCOM वगैरह MBA is masters. So likewise जो UK UAE का मास्टर्स है, you will be considered that if you complete the CMA final level or you are a qualified CMA. And also I would like to tell you that if you follow the route and if you study well, within 2.5 years, 2.5 to 3 years, you can complete the course. Within 6 months you can complete the foundation level. Within 1 year you can complete the intermediate level. Within 1 year you can complete the final level. So around 2.5 to 3 years you can complete this course. And also this is a professional course, so this can be studied along with other courses like BCom. You can do BCom simultaneously and you can do CMA, so that your time will also be saved, and you are ready to serve the industry after qualifying the intermediate level. After you get so much of SAP training and all the practical things, so after intermediate only you will be eligible to be ready to serve the industry. And also I would like to tell you that the average package a CMA after qualifying gets is 8 lakh rupees, and the highest package which was given to 4 CMAs were 22 lakhs. They were placed in Accenture. So yes, it depends. It's not like everybody will get it. Already depends on various skills, your communication skills, your qualities, your knowledge. So it depends on that. People get around 8 lakhs, some might get 4 lakhs also. So it completely depends, but on an average it is 8 lakhs, and the highest package which was received is 22 lakh rupees. So if you wish to pursue the course, you can visit the website icmai.in and take admission, and also you can subscribe my channel for more such videos. I make videos how to clear the examination, what strategy you should follow, what is the syllabus, what can be left in option, what things you need to focus and all. So yes, you can surely subscribe the channel, and all the best. Please share this video with each and everybody so that everybody gets aware about our CMA course, and if he wishes to pursue, he can visit the website. Take care. Thank you so much. All the best.